Showing you how to enable memory in Claude AI starts right here in your dashboard. Memory is a powerful feature because it lets Claude remember specific details about you across different conversations, which means you can stop repeating your background or preferences every time you start a new chat. To get this running, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that pops up, you want to go to Settings, and then click specifically on the tab labeled Capabilities. Now, once you are in the Capabilities section, you will see a heading for memory. There are two main toggles here that you need to turn on. The first is Search and Reference Chats, which allows Claude to look back through your history to find relevant details from the past. The second is Generate Memory from Chat History, which is what actually lets the AI learn and store context as you talk. I recommend turning both of these on. When these are active, Claude can look back at what you did last week or a month ago and pull that context into your current conversation without you having to explain the project all over again. The important thing to remember is that this goes both ways in terms of control. If you want to see exactly what the AI has stored about you, click on the Manage Memory button. This opens a list of every fact Claude has saved. If you see something incorrect or something you want to change, you can click the pencil icon to edit it manually. For instance, you could type in that you prefer professional, concise emails, or that you have a specific coding style you want it to follow. You can even tell it to forget specific facts if they are no longer relevant. If you have already spent a lot of time training another AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, you don't have to start from scratch. You can use the Import Memory feature to bring those details over. You simply click Start Import, follow the prompt to get your data from the other provider, and paste it back into Claude. This ensures your personalized experience stays consistent regardless of which tool you are using. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.